Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to wash my hair. Woo! We're going to do that apple cider vinegar rinse, and then after we get done doing the rinse, I believe 2 or 3 times, then we are going to wash it, and then that'll be that. I'll plait it up and then call it a day for about a week or 2. But yeah, let's get to it. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and now let's go. I'm going to be adding ingredients. First I have here is 1/4 cups of baking soda. So I'm just going to dump that in there. Yeah. Teaspoons of lemon juice. So there's 1 and 2. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Put that in there. Then we're going to do 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. I didn't have a 3/4 cup. I just used 1 cup and then filled it about 3/4 of the way, if you can see. Alright, good deal. And we're going to pour this in here. Ooh, fun.
Zanto going crazy. Pandora, 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 Pandora. That's why I'm on the moon. Sleepwalker, skywalking. Water on me, diamonds talking. Neptune clan, we some Martian. Swear I'm on the moon. No jingle bells, bitch, that's just my jury clacks. How I'm living really with it, feel no actor. Solo, how I'm rocking, pussy boys always with backup.
Hey guys, I really didn't think the water was going to be this dirty because I don't really put that many products in my head that often, but this was my first go around. So we're just gonna let that drain and then start all over. My hair was really dirty, I'm surprised. Whoa. See that like dirt build up? Oh my goodness. Whoa, my hair was dirty. Ew.
Good, don't know tobacco. Empty out the gut stuff in the berry with the cactus. Naked rope effect, turn your throat into a desert. Coffee top fetish, crush cues in my medicine. Grade A smoke, honor roll, school shining, tie my bone lean, and that Sprite a few lines. Base sound mean on that lean, watch me lean in a dream high beat. Walking dead zombie, 1 sip at a time. Pandora found me, 1 more puff for that Thrax and Pandora I'ma see. Smoking outdoors, I mean loud as can be. Red Bull ain't give me wings, but I'm high as can be. Aladdin on the carpet, how I'm floating through the street.
I see the water before I put my hair in, and I put all of the ingredients in, and this is my second go around. So I'll show you guys after the second time, and we'll see how dirty it is after the second rinse. And that will determine if we will do a third rinse. Okay.
Pandora, 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 Pandora. Swear I'm on the moon. Sleepwalker, skywalking. Water on me, diamonds talking. Neptune clan, we some Martian. Swear I'm on the moon.
I woke up on Pandora. 8 in the liter, we pouring up. All these bad bitches flooding us. All these racks on us, counting up. Pint of hot tech, on a digital on that. VVS wet, duffel bag run up check. AP, drip drip, my icy solar eclipse. Get my dope be a spaceship. Hot tech, all that I sell. Pandora, Pandora. I can't even feel my body move. I'm geeked up, sleepwalk. Diamonds Jackson 5, watch it glide, power slide, can't tell the time. Backwards open door, link coming out my porch, new coupe, motorsport.
This is after the second rinse. I don't know if it looks dirtier or cleaner. But whoa, it's still got like a lot of debris in the water. A little bit of hair shed. Oh, here comes my son. You just woke up. Where you going, bug? Just gonna let this out again. Oh my goodness, my hair was like filthy. It's like leftover stuff.
Wow!
Oh wow, I know. Okay guys, I think I'm just going to rinse it twice and call it a day. And now I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair, and then I will plait it up for about a good week or two. And yeah, that's about it. So now I'm gonna get to washing my hair.
I be grinding, I can't stop it, bitch, I'm going there. All these feelings in my chest, my tracks be flowing with. In the streets, I keep a gap, my move, I'm going with. Free my family out the cage, you know they thuggin' it. Feed the family, that's the mission, do not fuck with that. Bitch, you talking, but not business, I can't fuck with that. See that mill up on the table, look, I'm chasing that. Yeah, I'm chasing that. Yeah, I'm chasing that. I be thuggin' on the mission, had to let you know. Ain't no talking, holla tips, I'm really quick to throw. Gotta keep it, stay protected when you on the go. Out you getting it, fuck who watching, bitch, I'm on the road. No Picasso, but my masterpieces in that bowl. Started with a zipper pip, you know I sold that smoke. Ain't no option when I pitch it, bitch, I got a scope. Fuck a post up like Malone, I run that give and go. Chopper flames will touch your soul and make that bitch glow. Let me reframe to the topic, bitch, I'm grinding. Bitches flocking when you shining, get from by me. Bitch, I'm married to my hustle, fuck a wifey. You can find me on the corner where them lights be. I was riding that Impala with that pipe thing. You know, grinding, it excites me. Nigga, try me, blind you like some high beams. I be grinding, I can't stop it, bitch, I'm going there. All these feelings in my chest, my tracks be flowing with. In the streets, I keep a gap, my move, I'm going with. Free my family out the cage, you know they thuggin' it. Feed the family, that's the mission, do not fuck with that. Bitch, you talking, but not business, I can't fuck with that. See that mill up on the table, look, I'm chasing that. Yeah, I'm chasing that. Yeah, I'm chasing that. I swear on me that I'm a
Alright guys, back in the room. I'm not going to film me plaiting my hair up because I have a video on that already, which I'll link below if you want to know how to get crinkly locks. But that's usually my go-to style. Yeah, so I'm going to take this stuff down and get started on it. Yay! Alright guys, after about an hour and a half, I have finally plaited everything up. Took probably a little bit longer than normal because I had Pampers to change and babies to tend to while doing my soggy hair. But now that I'm all finished, I'm just gonna pop on my little do-rag here and yeah, that's about the size of it. It's actually my son's do-rag, so it's kind of smaller than the normal ones, I think. I don't know. But yeah, just tie it around and leave it like that. And that's about it. I didn't really put anything on my hair besides some vitamin E oil and some castor oil on my scalp. And that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.